Hi guys, how are you? Hope you'll be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install YouTube TV app on Amazon FireStick device. YouTube is not officially installed in FireStick. Without it this FireStick is useless. This is very simple and easy video for every FireStick user. Make sure to stay with me till the end and that you don't miss anything. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here YouTube. Click on YouTube and search. Then click on YouTube app. Then click on download button to download YouTube. After downloading YouTube, press the remote home button. And here again press the remote home button for 3 seconds. Then click on apps. And here you can see all FireStick application. So I am opening YouTube, which one I installed. So I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.